Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning. So, today, I was watching the news and it's going to be about hurricane, tropical storm, Erin, I think. So, my thing is right. So, it's going to North Carolina and it's going to be a big storm. Even though it was a little bit, now it's just going to be a big storm. So, it just hit Puerto Rico, I think, and all the different states and cities. So, my opinion is that it might come to Texas. So I'm kind of nervous and kind of suspectful, something like that. I'm kind of nervous, I would say. I'm kind of, discomfort, so that I gotta be prepared for the storm comes. I don't know about Texas because, Texas, they have like tornadoes and hurricane. But this is the biggest hurricane I ever seen on the news, Fox 4 News. So I'm praying for all the people, you see that state emergency, you gotta get ready to get out of there, out your house, flashlights, batteries, food, shelter, all that. It's gonna hit. It's supposed to be hitting Florida, Miami, Florida, and Tampa, and it's supposed to be hit Houston. It already hit Africa, but but I'm still waiting. I should watch this right now, but I'm still waiting about the storm. So I don't know if it turned off or probably back on, but I'm still waiting for the storm to come to see. I'm still waiting for this news and the storm to see what's going on. Bless you. Because there's a lot going on, and I don't want to be, in the house, and then after that, and then it start coming this way, and then I gotta be in a shelter, I'm probably in a hotel, waiting till it, everything cool down, back to normal. So pray for us. If it don't come, then we good. So yeah. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my next video. It will be next month. Keep you updated with my baby. My baby boy. So subscribe, like, comment. If you're not, then what you doing? Deuces.